What's one of the easiest ways to engage people who don't yet know us, don't know if they like us, don't know if they trust us, certainly haven't bought before, but we'd like to start by engaging them in some way so we can start the customer journey or client journey together? I know the answer how to do that, and I'm going to share it with you now. Hi there, my name is Peter Thomson, and over the last 27 years I've been helping coaches, consultants, speakers and trainers and small business owners and entrepreneurs, people like me and you, to build for themselves a business and a life of choice by showing them a number of things in sales and marketing, but particularly how to write, create and market informational products. So how to run a seminar, how to do a book, how to do a video, how to do a webinar. And it's been great fun, and the ideas have really been worked on. I now call them tried and tested and proven. And one of the easy ways to engage with a cold audience, people who don't yet know us, is, I'll show you one, it is having a checklist. And the great thing about checklists is this: whilst we will be providing this free of charge, somebody's investment in time is very small. And that's the beauty of a checklist. Not like downloading a report of 15, 20, 30, and I've seen downloaded reports at 200 pages, and the likelihood of people reading them is remote. However, with a checklist, which can be checked and get a feel from who you are, from your answers on this, can be done in just a few seconds. And that's why checklists are so powerful, because anybody downloading it or doing it online, if you've put it together in that way, can answer it so quickly they get quick answers. And these days people want quick answers. So that is a great way to do it. Now, in a minute, I'll show you a different type. So how do you create a checklist? Well, it's quite simple. If we ask ourselves a focused question that would say something along the long lines of, so mine is a positive attitude checklist. What are the factors in people having a positive attitude? And then I'd write those down, and then I could put them as a checklist. And those checklists might be, for this one, I like myself, mark out of 10. I'm a winner, mark out of 10. I believe I can always learn new ideas, mark out of 10. I embrace change, mark out of 10. I'm enthusiastic, etc., etc. So simple to do. You could do a checklist on all types of things, a checklist on people's lead generation, checklist on their prices, checklist on anything that you decided you wanted to share with somebody. Now, here's a deeper version of doing that, and I've got a printed version, but I'll put this on screen for you so you can see this now. And in fact, you can see it's my Peter Thomson's The 10 Habits of Massively Successful Coaches checklist. And as you can see on the right hand side, there's various ideas there which people can put a tick mark, or they can put marks out of 10. And the way in which I created that was I simply asked myself a question, and I said, what are possibly, I like to add that word in, a friend of mine, Andy Gilbert, told me to add that into questions, what are possibly the habits of successful coaches? And I wrote down a list, and then I converted that list into questions so that people could answer it. So there you are, back to me now. There's the piece of paper that I was actually looking at there. So I think this is a great way to start the top of our marketing funnel, is to go out into the marketplace, whether it's on LinkedIn, whether it's email marketing, whether it's on Facebook, wherever it might be, and offer people free of charge a checklist on an area of interest to them. I'm sure you can take that idea away and use it. And if you've got any comments or questions you'd like to ask me about it, then simply put them down there and I will definitely answer them for you. So in the meantime, I wish you every success in your adventures in life, as you have freedom from anything that may have held you back, and freedom to be, do and have whatever you put your heart and mind upon. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Then click to watch the next video. Remember to visit our website at peterthomson.com and download your free copy of my latest book, How to Write Your Business Book in 5 days or less. Until next time, every success.